Northeast Gas Grid Project. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved on a capital grant at the viability gap and funding to Indradhanush Gas Grid Unlimited for setting up the Northeast in a natural gas pipeline grid. Total 5,559 crore has been earmarked as a VGF. As per the plan of 1656 km gas pipeline grid and would connect the 8 states of the northeastern regions, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. It is a part of an hydrocarbon Vision 2030 for Northeast India, which neutralizes steps to leverage the hydrocarbon sector for a social and economic development of the Northeast regions. National Gas Grid, gas pipeline and infrastructure is an economic and safe mode of transporting transporting the natural gas by connecting gas sources to a gas consuming market. Gas pipeline grid and determines the structure of the gas market and its development. Therefore, an interconnected national gas grid has been envisaged to ensure the adequate availability and equitable and distributions of a natural gas in all parts of the country. At present, there are about 16,800 kilometer long natural gas pipeline network which is operational in the country. In order to make available natural gas across the country, it has been envisaged to develop an additional about 14,300 kilometer pipeline to complete the national gas grid, and same are at various stage of development. This would ensure an easy availability of natural gas across all regional and also potentially help to achieve a uniform economic and social progress. Aim on objective national grid gas grid infrastructure maps of India. कहाँ कहाँ पे है? मुंद्रा, चारा, जफराबाद, मुंबई, जयघाट, दीघा, धर्मा, गंगवरम, Kakinada, Ennore. To remove an regional imbalance within the country with regard to access of a natural gas and provide a clean and green and fuel throughout the country. To connect gas and sources to major and demand centers and ensure availability of gas to consumers in various sectors. Development of city gas distribution CGD networks in various cities for supply of CNG and PNG. A brief of major gas pipeline projects which are being implemented by central government and PSUs are as under. Sorry for mistakes. Jagdishpur and Bokhara, Jagdishpur, Bokhara and Haldia, Barauni and Guwahati. Jagdishpur, Haldia, Bokhara and Dhamra pipeline project GAL is executive and 2,655 km long pipeline project. The project is scheduled to be environmental progressive by December 2020 and JHBDPL will cater to the energy and requirement of 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha and West Bengal. It is also known as the Pradhan Mantri Urja Ganga of Eastern India. Barauni and Guwahati and pipeline project and BGPL, it is being implemented as an integral and a part and JHBDPL project to connect northeastern regions with the national gas grid. The approximate length of the pipeline is 7 to 9 kilometer completion of the project is scheduled by December 2020. Mangalore to Bangalore, Mangalore, Kochi and Bangalore, Tirulur, Ennore, Nagapattinam, Tuchukorin, Madurai, Bangalore. Ennore and Tiruvallur, Bangalore and Puducherry and Nagapattinam, Madurai and Tuticorin natural gas pipeline. ETB, PNMTL, IOCL is laying a 1385-kilometer long pipeline. This pipeline will connect New and Ennore LNG terminal with various demands and centers in the regions. Kochi and Kottanad, Bangalore and Mangalore PS2 pipeline project and KKBMPH 41 km of phase 1 of the pipeline has been commissioned and 887 km of phase 2 is under progress in a 2 section construction work for a gale of Kochi and Kottanad Mangalore sections 444 km is under progress and unexpected to be commissioned shortly. Northeastern and regions NER gas grid, a joint venture of a 5 oil and gas CPSC, GAL, IOCL, OIL, ONGC, and NRL, named as Indradhanush Gas Grid Limited (IGGL), has been interested to develop a trunk pipeline connectivity in all northeastern states Assam, Sikkim, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Nagaland, and Meghalaya in a phased manner. City Gas Distributions CGD network under the Petroleum and Natural and Gas Regulatory Board Act 2006 PNGRB grants the authorizations to the entities for developing a city gas distribution network and including PNG network in a specified geographical area of the country. CGD sector has four district segments compressed and natural gas and predominantly used as an auto fuel and piped and natural gas used in a domestic, commercial and industrial segment. Regulation and pertaining to authorization and bidding of a city gas distribution networks and were embedded in a 2018 PNGRB has authorized 229 NGA covering 407 districts for development of CGD network across the country. It covers about 53 of the country, an area of 70% of the country and a population. It will make available environment friendly and fuel and CNG PNG to public at a large. To promote the development of a CGD network, the government has accorded the priority and a domestic gas allocation to a PNG, domestic and a CNG and a transport and a segment. It has been decided to meet 100% gas requirement of a CNG transport and a PNG domestic segment through a supply of a domestic gas and which is cheaper than imported gas. At present, a CGD sector is consuming approximately 40.37 million and metric and standards and a cubic meter and per day of a domestic gas for a CNG transport and a PNG domestic sector. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has released draft and a policy on city and a gas distributions network. Main provisions of the draft policy: it suggests setting up of a committee under the chairmanship of the chief secretary, which will help and formulate a policy and streamline the process for various permissions to ensure the CGD and infrastructure. It will cause setting up of a suitable single window and a clearance mechanism for the same in the state for the promotion development of CGD and infrastructure and ease of doing business. Committee will also make a suitable mechanism for permissions from state divisions of the petroleum and an explosive safety and organization NHAI, the railway State Transport and Corporation will accord a priority to CNG and LNG buses while purchasing a new buses and re-rafting in present alternate and a fuel fleet. The draft also calls for an VAT and a rates of a CNG LNG may be reviewed and rationalized and with a saving of 5%. It also calls the state to rationalize road tax for CNG vehicles at per with electric vehicle to users in a gas-based economy and to increase the share of a natural gas in a country primary and energy mix. Government is taking a focused step enhancing a domestic gas productions expeditious development of a gas infrastructure including pipeline, city and a gas and distribution and networks and regasified and a liquefied and natural gas RLNG and terminal as well as development of a gas market by providing open and access to gas infrastructure.